Hi everyone, my name is Ruka Olunlade and I am a second year in the CSP program here at Bowling Green State University. My assistantship is in the BGSU Graduate College and I'm just here to give you a little bit of a summary about our university. So BGSU is a public university founded in 1910 and we are 30 minutes away from South Toledo, Ohio. We have about 19,000 plus total students that come from all over the place, so from all 50 states and 70 countries. Some fun facts about us is that we were named one of the best college towns in America, which is totally true because our downtown is just located from our university. There's so much to do. It's very busy and there's a lot of different activities that you and any of your friends can kind of partake in. We were also named one of the safest colleges in the United States, which I know sounds really good to a lot of people out there listening. And we have this thing called the BGSU difference. And someone said, like, to all our students, if you were to do the college search all over again, would you still choose BGSU? And a good 97% said yes, that they would still choose BGSU, which, says a lot about Bowling Green State University. Now, just to talk a little bit about our graduate college, we are recognized as one of the best universities in the country for teaching quality by Wall Street Journal and Times Higher Education. Again, going to graduate school is all about getting that right education, and BGSU Graduate College has been known for that. Our graduate program also continues to be ranked as some of the best in the country by the U.S. News and World Report in 2020. So currently in the year that we are ranked as some of the best in the country for U.S. teaching quality. So that's, again, another amazing thing about BGSU. So about our graduate college, we have about 3,200 students that are in our graduate college with over 75 plus subject areas. There's a lot of different things that you can do. You can do a professional pathways, which is for people who are professionals but also want to be going to school. We have eCampus, which is 100% online. We also have our traditional online on-campus one, which is what I'm doing, where you got to be on campus most of the time. And then we have the graduate certificate. It's different certificate programs that you can pick while still being in grad school, so you can kind of balance both. And then just to talk to you about some of the resources at BGSU, which is my favorite thing to talk about. The campus support services are amazing at Bowling Green. I know for a lot of students, like going to college, a lot of universities might focus more on undergraduate, but I like to tell you that BGSU focus on undergraduate, and we also focus on our graduate students. So for example, we have our off-campus student services. I'm from New Jersey, and finding a place to live off campus in Ohio seems like a daunting task, but it wasn't, because off-campus student services was able to help me with that. I love the Learning Commons because we have this tool where after you finish writing an essay, you upload your document into the website, and they send it back to you in less than 48 hours with all the edits, because sometimes you just get tired of reading your papers. Most programs also get their own personal librarian, which is really helpful when you have to do all those research projects and you need help kind of navigating the online library tool. We have student employment services, our counseling centers, our Falcon Health centers, accessibility services, all open to graduate students. Also working for the graduate college, we also host our different support services that we think that students might need. So we have something called MIGS, which is Multicultural Initiative for Graduate Student Success. That's something that I'm a part of, and that's something that any of you can be a part of if you're interested in. We once hosted yoga for graduate students because we realized that mental health is very important, and graduate school is not like the easiest thing in the world. But again, it's all about having those challenges that help you put your best foot forward when you're going to look for jobs after graduate school, and also having those supports from the institution. Well, that's all I have to say right now about BGSU, but if you have any more questions, please feel free to reach out to me. My email is olunlar@bgsu.edu. Thank you and have a wonderful day.